The music player allows you to play and control the music throughout your game. Let's go over the user prefs. Play on startup does just what it says. If you have this option checked, your music files will begin playing at the start of the game. Interrupt transition time determines the amount of time it takes to transition to the next song, but only when the previous song is interrupted. Auto advance determines whether the music player should automatically play the next song when the current song ends. Repeat allows you to repeat the current song or the entire playlist. If repeat and auto advance are both checked, then the entire playlist will repeat over and over. If just the repeat option is checked, then it will play whatever the current song is over and over. There's only one event. Any song played happens anytime a song is played. How about a simple demonstration? I'll go ahead and drop a music player into my scene. I want the music to start playing at the start of the game, so I'll make sure play on startup is checked. I'll leave the interrupt transition time at 3 seconds. Since I'm only going to be using 2 songs and each song is for a different area in my game, I'll make sure auto advance is unchecked. I'll also make sure that repeat is checked. For this tutorial only, I created 2 short audio files using my guitar. They're not included in the starter pack, so if you can't find them, that's why. I named one Bright Music and the other I named Mysterious Music. Both of them are WAV files. I'll select the music player and then I'll drag the Bright Music to the Song 1 field and I'll drag the Mysterious Music to the Song 2 field. I want Song 1 to play while I'm on one side of my game and the other to play while I'm on the other side of my game. I can accomplish this by using the detection area to detect which side of my game I'm on. You can find the detection area in the Utilities folder near the top. Once I find it, I'll drop one into my scene and make sure the box collider component is expanded. If it's not expanded, I won't be able to see what I'm adjusting. I'll also make the manipulator handles at the pivot and not the center. I'll scale up the detection area so that it completely covers up half of my game area. In this case, half of the ground that I'm standing on. When I enter the detection area, I'll have it play Song 2. The Mysterious Music, and when I exit the detection area, I'll have it play Song 1, the Bright Music. Now that I have the detection area covering half of my game area, I'll expand the player entered and the player exited events. I'll drag the music player to the player entered event and tell it to play Song 2. Then I'll drag the music player to the player exited event and tell it to play Song 1. The only thing left to do now is test it out.